Start and shut down the computer. First is we will see starting a computer. Step 1. Switch on the main electricity button. Step 2. Switch on the UPS. Step 3. Switch on the CPU. Step 4. Switch on the monitor. Now loading the operating system. The entire screen is called the desktop. Now the computer is ready for we can to work with. Dear students, look at the screen. This is the starting screen and appears when the computer is switched on. This is called the desktop or home screen or first screen. Parts of the desktop windows. A long bar at the bottom of the desktop is called the taskbar. Dear students, you want to look at the screen. It has so many small pictures. The icon is a small pictures representation of a programs or file or folder. To open any program, to just double click on its icon. Next one, wallpaper. The background pictures of Windows desktop is called the wallpaper. We can see different wallpapers on different computers. Taskbar. So the open task has small buttons including the start button. It is opened icons. Then internet icon, the system tray display the times and etc. System tray display the current times. The internet icon, speaker and antivirus icon. Selecting and deselecting an icon. To select icon, follow these steps. Steps 1. Bring the mouse pointer on the any icon. Step 2. Click the leftmost button once. The color of the icon changes. It means that an icon is selected. To deselect an icon, follow these steps. Move the mouse pointer away from the selected icon. Click the leftmost button once. The color of the icon changes to its original color. It means that the icon is deselected. Shortcut menu. When you right click of your mouse, a menu appears on the screen. It is called the shortcut menu. Opening an application using icons. To open any application or program in Windows, bring the mouse pointer on the icon and double clicking on the leftmost button. Now my computer application will open. We can use or open any other folders and files. Arranging icons. We can arrange the icon on the desktop. To arrange the icons, follow the steps. Dear students, you all are look at the desktop screen. All the icons not arranged in proper place. Step 1. Right click on the blank area of the desktop. A shortcut menu appears on the screen. Then select the view option. Then click on the to arrange the icons in the respective order. Hiding desktop icons. Dear students, we can hide the icons on the desktop and unhide the icons on the desktop. To hide the icons, follow the steps. Right click on the desktop. Then a new submenu will appear. Then click on show desktop icon. After a few seconds, you can see all the icons on the desktop will disappear. Dear students, now we can again repeat the same steps to unhide the icons. Right click on the desktop, then click on the view option, then click on the source hiding icons. Now appears all the icons on the desktop screen. Taskbar. A long bar at the bottom of the desktop is called the taskbar. The taskbar shows the names of currently open programs. It also has a button, quick launch bar and system tray. Dear students, you will look at the screen. This only start button. These are only quick launch bar. This only currently opened program is called, it is only the icons. This only system. The system tray display the antivirus, then network, speaker, then so the times also. Start button. The start button is an important desktop item. It is used to do many activities. When you left click on the start button, a menu appears on the screen. This is called the start menu list. The start menu contains many options. Some of them all programs, sticky notes, Windows Media Center, getting started, paint, calculator, then etc. All programs. The all programs contains shortcuts to open different applications. Then click on the start button, then bring the mouse pointer on the all programs. A submenu appears with many options. Now we can click on the program which you want to open. Search folders in the computer. To search a file or folders in our computer, follow the steps. Step 1, click on the start button. Step 2, click on search option. Now type the name of files or folders that you want to search. Step 4, press the enter key. Now opened search programs. Help and support. We can find different help topics related to Windows in this option. Click on start button. Step 2, click on help and support option. A new window appears. Here you will find help according to your need in Windows by clicking on the different options or by typing your query in the given box. Log off. Log off option in the start menu closes all your programs and prepares your computer to be used by another user. To log off, follow these steps. Click on the start button. Step 2, click on the shutdown arrow. The submenu appears on the screen. Then click on the log off option. Now the computer will turn to log off and another user can log in by entering his own ID and password. Shutting down a computer. Step 1. Click on the start button. The start menu is displayed. Step 2. Click on the shutdown button. Shutdown option message box appears on the screen. Step 3. Switch off the monitor. Step 4. Switch off the UPS. Step 5. Switch off the main electricity button. Then cover the computer properly using with the cloth.